Well, good morning. Well, if you don't hear what I hear, you're not listening, because we're in a full-on deluge here. Yeah, it's raining. And nothing pretty much I can do right now. It's raining good on this side. It's raining good all over. Except right there, there's a little bit of pooling. But I got a lot of packing to do. And I decided it's going to be a slow process, but hopefully, get a break here sometime to get it into my car. And but the tarp is working good, except that one corner or one spot right there. I'll show you. There you go. I can just I can just reach into here and give the tarp a little bump to get it to fall. But this is my worst fear. I guess this was my fear last night, was I'd get stuck breaking camp in a thunderstorm or in a rain. Mosquitoes are real bad. They're all hovering underneath my tarp. I guess they're not so dumb. But I'm just gonna have a couple cups of coffee. If the rain breaks, maybe I'll make a break for the car and grab some food. But I'm sitting pretty good right now. This is kind of my morning routine anyways. But there, it lightened up. I've got a rain jacket, and I've got 3 different pairs of shoes, so I should be all right. I'm gonna get everything inside the tent all packed up. I got stuff sitting outside too.